Here we're going to show how easy it is to create a mashmatrix dashboard, and in turn how really truly customizable it can be. So first we're going to drag an account object and select a grid table. What I'll do is I'll drag some fields such as account name, account type, billing state, industry, as well as ticker symbol, and I'll go ahead and select OK. This now shows me a list of all of my accounts. I can certainly paginate through these. I can certainly sort by any of these columns. But here what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to hide the ticker symbol since not everything has a ticker symbol. Come back in here, edit the configuration, right click on ticker symbol, and hide. Select OK. Now I'm going to drag in an opportunity object here. And what we want to do is click on an account object and show only those related opportunities. And what we'll do is we'll grab the account name, as well as the opportunity name, the amount, the probability, as well as the close date. And what we'll do is we'll select a filter. And for this filter, what we're going to add is, because we know all of our opportunities belong to accounts, we'll select where the account ID of these opportunities equals, and we'll select an account ID from above and drag this in. So you can see here, as I select a new account, it shows me only those related opportunities. In this case, we'll add another filter here. Since we only want to show open opportunities, we'll choose opportunities where probability is less than. We'll enter in 100 here. And again, you'll see that as I choose a new account, new opportunities show up. Let's go ahead here and add a chart object. Throw a chart here. Since we want to chart all of these objects, we'll go ahead and click the refresh button and drag and drop. You can see here we could choose the name as well as the amount. If I select OK, here's my 4 objects. As I choose another account, it charts these other accounts. Rather, the opportunities. As I select another account, it charts these other opportunities. Maybe we want to come here and change the type of chart. So instead of a column 3D chart, let's choose a combination 3D chart. This time we'll go ahead and display amount versus probability. And in this case, I'm going to edit this and show probability on the secondary axis. And as I select OK, you can see here now that we have amount versus probability. Lastly, we want to maybe click on these opportunity bars here and show some opportunity information. So here we'll come back up to data sources, show an opportunity, some record information, and let's go ahead and choose some fields here. We scroll down and select maybe name, some longer fields like description, stage. We'll choose amount and probability again. And let's come down here and choose close date as well as next step. And the same thing's going to follow. We're going to go ahead and add a filter here. And this filter will say, show me where the opportunity ID equals, and again we're going to generate an event box by selecting these bars and dragging in this ID, clicking OK. So you'll see here, if I select the $35,000 object, it's showing me 35,000. If I choose 18,000, it's my 18,000 and some details here. As I select a new account, it shows me my new open opportunities. It charts these. As I select a new bar, it shows me the details relating to that as well. Lastly, I'll go ahead and drag in an iframe and let's do a Google Finance search. And you can see here, I'll drag in an inline frame. As you recall, we did hide the ticker symbol. So what I'll do is I'll select a record here to generate an event box, and although the ticker symbol is hidden, you can see that it is visible here. I'll drag in the ticker symbol, and let's go ahead and prepend this with a Google Finance URL. And what I'll do is I'll go ahead and make this box a little bit larger so we can see this adequately here. And let's select OK. You can see here this is now some news for the Walt Disney Company on the ticker symbol. If I choose Applied Materials, the ticker symbol is again updated, and the same thing follows. If I scroll further down, obviously my opportunities are here. If I select any of these opportunities, you can see here that that record information is available. So we also again can drag in anything else, whether it be a Hoover search, a LinkedIn search, a Google News search. It could be a link to a proprietary database or whatnot. We also support running users in environmental variables. Under user information, you can see who's the user that's logged in. So you can create one template or one dashboard and distribute this to many users, and the data viewed would be different, obviously, since it is a running user. And you can set filters on the different widgets for usernames or user IDs, etc., etc. So you can see here, really, in a matter of minutes, without really any programming, I've just created a dashboard for the mashmatrix product.